What we're going to do here is go over the names of the strings. Now this is important because if you don't know the names of strings, you're not going to be able to tune your guitar. And if you can't tune your guitar, then no matter what you play, it's going to sound horrible. So it's really, really important that you're able to know the names of strings. And the other reason is we want to be able to know the names of the notes up the neck. And in order to do that, we have to know where to start, because each string is not the A string. It's not going to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G on each string. They have different starting points. So that's really important. We need to really, in both those instances, and many others, we need to really know the names of the strings. That's where it all starts. Now, we're going to make it a little easy for you because we're going to give you a really cool sentence to memorize. It's going to make it a little bit more simple for you. And in another lesson, what we're going to do, their next lesson, is we're going to actually apply this to a backing track and be able to play the actual music. Will make it a little bit more fun to do. So that's what we'll do in our next lesson. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing is we want to memorize the sentence, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye, Eddie. And we just take out the first letter out of each. Eddie E, ate A, dynamite D, good G, bye B, Eddie E. And if you notice, there's two Eddies in there, which means there's two E strings. And what we have is, we have this fat string right here. That is what we call the low E. This one up here, on the other side, that's your high E. So we have a low E, has that low sound, and our high E up here has our high sound. So low E low, high E high. Now, we just go down that sentence. Eddie E, ate A, dynamite D, good G, bye B, Eddie E. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's our strings again. Eddie, ate, dynamite, good, bye, Eddie. And you just do the same thing, same way I just did it. Eddie E, ate A, dynamite D, good G, bye B, Eddie E. And eventually you want to go E, A, D, G, B, E. That's eventually where you want to go. And yeah, and that's basically it. That's how it works. Just remember the sentence, use that. That's your low E. And that's your high E. And that's the names of your strings. It's really as simple as that. So just quickly go through that. Shouldn't take you any time at all. And then when you're ready, we'll move on to the next lesson where we're going to actually jam along with the track, and this will make it a lot more fun, and it'll really stick in a lot better. So all right, work on that, and we'll see you in the next lesson.